When my husband retired, we were living in the States in Las Vegas, and we wanted to move closer to family. The one thing we knew we were going to miss was the weather. So we bought this house. It was a new build. First thing we did was we got to get a conservatory. I went on the search. Finally, I found Conservatory land. I contacted Conservatory land and they got back to me, and I spoke to this very nice chap. They were just so streamlined and so professional, and I had so many options with them. They sort of led me in the right direction. They didn't try to talk me into anything or convince me of anything, and they really understood that I wanted to keep the aesthetic value. The conserva base was something that was very important. I wanted something that was going to be a really beautiful permanent structure that was going to increase the value of the house. I really felt very comfortable that I was getting exactly what I wanted. We went with the approved installers. They recommended this one particular gentleman who was amazing, just wonderful. And it was so fast, everything was so quick. Every time he'd finished any of the process, he tied it up afterwards. So I never had any mess or any dirt in the house, so that was a plus. Walking in here was absolutely beautiful. We were able to enjoy our garden every single day, whether it was pouring rain or sunshine. It was just a delight. To the point that we probably use this room way more than any other room in the house. It's just lovely that this has happened, and that was my dream. That's what I wanted. Now we can be part of the garden, no matter what sort of climate we've got. So thanks to Conservatory land, they made this our home.